Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this.
Which you can see what it is from the box.
Oh, so you can see it guys, look at that.
From John Lewis.
From John Lewis.
Microwave.
So I'm going to open.
A new microwave for Christmas and New Year.
Wow. Why did you buy it now?
Well, it's nearly Christmas.
I think if you buy it after Christmas, then it's
yeah, may
cheaper.
have been. Maybe, but not necessarily.
Really?
Because it's normally the more expensive items they put on sale.
Really?
This one was £99,
Uh-huh.
which is not that expensive. So I'm not sure if it will be on sale.
Okay.
And our one is getting faulty.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, so this is the
turntable.
plate.
Glass plate.
Okay.
Make sure it doesn't fall down.
Yeah. And this is the
Thing that goes underneath the glass turntable.
the plate. Okay. This is a very thick.
Yeah, because it's heavy thing, so stop it from getting damaged.
I can't take it out.
Yeah, I'll come and
Okay.
put it on.
Yeah. So you have to take it out because it's heavy for me. I think you have to tip on the side. Make it lie down. Okay. Oh dear. Wow, that is huge. Oh, huge.
Okay.
Okay, so that is, how do you open it? There. So, that is in here. So that's the
Instruction.
The manual. Oh, and you put something in there.
Maybe leave it until we take it to the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
This you can take up, I suppose.
This one. Yeah.
And the back, anything to peel off. And the lid should be at the back.
At the back. Yeah. This one. This. And that's it. So I'm not putting this in yet.
No, not until we put it in its place. We have to first wipe the other one inside and outside.
Oh, we have
and put
to
it in
take
its
the
box.
other one. Yeah.
We have to get the box, and
Yeah.
so that's it. Well, there should we film a bit more when we plug it
so
in.
later. Yeah. Okay. Okay, see you later, guys. Okay, so we're going to test the microwave, guys. Okay. Just focus.
The lid.
Cover it.
So press the microwave, and then the second thingy until you get. That's not it. Is it the right button? Microwave second.
Microwave and then the 30 seconds thing.
Press the middle. Press the other end.
It's confirmed. It will start. Not here.
Maybe. Try that. Try that. I didn't see that in the book. Maybe put it a little bit. You usually put 6.5 minutes. Maybe put 6 because this is 900 watts.
Okay, and
And
then
then start
confirm.
confirm. Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
And the microwave is working fine.
The microwave is working quite nice. Hello guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from us. Flourish by Flora. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.